Cloning a hard disk with Macrium Reflect. First thing we've got here is the new SSD, which is 512 gigabytes. The one that's inside the computer is a 1 terabyte hard disk drive. So I'll plug in the external in. I'll put that back there. It's actually empty. On here I have Macrium Reflect 3 edition. Recovery. Reset this PC advanced user startup. So I want advanced user startup, restart now. This will restart the computer and give you 3 different options, and the one we're looking for is to boot off the USB stick. It says use the device, use a USB drive, network connector or Windows recovery DVD. That's the one we want, so we'll click on that. We don't want a DVD, we don't want network device, so it's got to be the UEFI removable device. So we'll click on that. This will load up Macrium Reflect. Right, there we go. Now, you can see over here it says create backup. So I'll click on that. And you can see it's quite obvious which is which here, because we've got this is Windows. So it's got OS, got Windows logo on it. This one's the USB stick, and this is the external hard drive. So that's got nothing on it. So what we need to do, where it says clone this disk underneath the main drive, we click clone this disk, select a disk to clone to, and obviously we don't want to put it on the USB stick, so we click on this one, and then we just click next. It will tell you what the source disk is again, and the source disk is actually a 1 terabyte, and it tells you which ones we're going to copy: operation 1 of 4, operation 2 of 4, 3 of 4, 4 of 4. And we click finish. It says the following drives will be overwritten, so you have to confirm that you want to do that. Continue. What I normally do first is make an image of the original drive, which you can also do with Macrium Reflect, and then if anything does go wrong, you can always restore it and have another go. So I'll probably pause the video and we'll start again when it's finished doing the clone. That's the OS finished. It's now doing the last partition, recovery partition. This will be fairly quick. Clone complete successfully, completed in 1 hour and 48 minutes. So OK that, close that. This takes us back, and this is the original disk and this is the clone disk. As you can see, it's worked out the differences and it's resized the partitions to fit onto the 500 gigabyte. So now what I need to do is shut it all down, and then take it apart and install the new SSD inside. screws out. So the row across here is the smallest. The ones across the middle are slightly bigger, and the three across the back are the biggest. Now this may clip together, but I found the best way in is to start in one corner, get the spudge underneath, and then you could go around the edge once you get it to come up. Very carefully in. Don't know whether this edge will come up as well. Hopefully it will. There we go. So we'll just lay it on this side. In there, just hold that open. I'm going to go along with this smaller one. I can do it. Clip in there. I'll go this side again. Get round here. There we go. That's got it, I think. And then where does it come off this side? I can see there's a gap there, so there's some more clips along this side. And there we go. That's got the whole thing off. There, you can see there's not much inside them nowadays. This is the battery, this is the hard drive, this is the bit we want to work on. Now let's try taking the plastic cover off first while that goes that way. Ah, now I can see where, no, you don't need to move them, you just need to get it like that. So there's the original hard drive. We'll get the SSD. Plug straight in, and we get the bracket same way round as it was, and everything should line up. It's just like a little rubber cradle that it sits in. That's all that. A bit thin to get it in, but I think that's got it. Will be held in by the case anyway. Yeah, just need to put this on again. Clip it all back down. Round. Clip it back this side as well. and on the front and on the sides. Check it's just pushed in everywhere. Now I can put the screws back in. So we've got the 3 long ones across the back. So screw those back in. Turn the computer over. Should boot straight up into Windows 10. I had to cut that there because I couldn't show you the password. But now it says here, edition Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. So that's it. That's how you clone a hard drive with Macrium Reflect.